beg, make na click the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I say go beg na this subscribe button, na click out to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos, na guys click this button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. As I dey waka my own waka today, jejely on my own. Na person stop me, ask me say, abeg sister, wetin e dey take to keep man these days? I reason am as I no get answer for the person, I carry am come here today say make we gather discuss the whole issue. Make we gather talk inside this matter. So Anita, abeg, we hear say na you be women of all men, woman of all men.
Go put something Anita part, baby.
Anita part.
That matter, it's somehow. Okay. Well, me, I believe say every man gets his own character, the way he they behave and things we in like, and things we no like. So if they ask that question, say, we saying you go keep your man. You now you have to sit down, do your assignments where your homework. So no waiting that's your man in particular like, because as 100 men or million men dey for this life now, so million characters dey where you go look, you go say, this guy had the dates before, he different from this guy. This guy like this guy. Some men they like food. Anyway, my woman they cook like this. They know they see the woman bad character, but that food now is a go.
Is a go, yeah.
So you as a woman, you go calm down, sit down, study that your man where. You go study and where you go know wetin like, wetin you no like, where in they go, wetin in the hair, all those kind of things. Some men fit talk say, okay, I they like you to they wear bun shorts for me every evening. They do indomie. Go they, you know, some man fit tell say for kitchen I like how you go they turn the back, you go they put that kind of thing. Sure you get. Some man fit tell you say, okay, and it's for evening, I they like me you did this particular side of the bed. Sure you don't understand all those kind of things. You go come put them together. Assemble them, now they become one. So we be that one character. We go tell us, okay, see the particular thing way.
If I do,
I go keep my man to myself. Sure you get. You know, so some men, they me, I don't see guy where say he go outside, as he come back finish, can't tell the babe say, you know the funny thing. I say if you do well, but as they look, so you know if you even do reach the woman where I put for house. You don't understand those kinds of things. So that woman now that thing she take keep a man. So you fit do anything where you know say it's applied to your man to keep your man to yourself.
Okay, we don't hear one point. IJ, wait if you talk truth inside this matter.
Nobody they perfect. The way God create all of us. All of us get flaw. You know. So like for example now, me.
I prefer explain to them what flaw mean because not everybody understand flaws.
Flaw now the thing way make you know they perfect.
Okay.
As you be human being now, you get one thing where as you did now, even though say people they look you now, they look like say they perfect. You get one thing where no just day as you complete, no just make you complete. You could just if it be your leg where they K, if it be K leg, if it be say okay like me now, if let's say you get big nose, you know, if it be just one thing or if it be one character where you get where some people know people put up with, now that thing will be your flaw. Okay, Saturday now I like reassurance. Reassurance means say. If I dey with person, he go they tell me regularly how you feel about me. As the relationship they go, I need to know say me and you we dey on the same page every step of the way, you know. And because of how I take like the reassurance, I need to deal with person where they very crazy about me. The person need to like me well. Because if you not like me well, if I dey ask you this question every time, your body go they bite you. So I feel say the reason why the what you go take keep man. Now man we want stay. If the man no want stay with you, if you like, carry your leg, do aerobics, carry your leg, hang am for this side, carry your leg, face am this side. If you like, hang am like this. Anyhow way you like, you do. If you like, cook the best food. You know, it no matter the kind of dress where you wear, it no matter the kind body where your body dey. After all, see Beyonce with all her body and all her career, now she be like the best. Like in the world, for where she did, and she be the best. Yes. And a lot of men go they tell you say, no, I need a woman that is that has a good career. Let her be the best where she is. Let her have a banging body. Beyonce body, all of us know not to be bad. And yet, Jay-Z they cheat on them. So maybe about that. Now any man will like you, will like the way you did, will want to stay with you. Now the only man will feel stay. I think why I feel. Now how to keep man. Any man will one day with you. It no matter what thing you do, that the man will like you. You go look past all your flaws. Decide that you will one day with. Because he like you the way you did. I think why I get to talk.
In fact, this matter comes sweet today. I hope see that person just did the watch because me wait us I don't get answer for you. In fact, answer don't buck who here for na today. And if Papa don't talk her own, she say if your husband fit us say in a mini skirt he like or anything. And IJ too don't talk say na man wey wan stay na him go stay whether you cook or you no cook. But this thing na get two different things because on the right side some men dey say they fit stay with woman, they fit accept everything because say that woman get money, she dey well loaded. So some men no dey look say whether you wan stay because you wan stay o. So far say you get money to take care of them, they no mind. They go stay inside the marriage, you go dey spend your money, they go dey there for years. Born children sef still dey there. But you get some men wey go look past say whether you get your money, you no get your money o. You no go reason that fact, you go waka comot. Even though the woman do everything wey that man want for this life, the man fit still waka comot. So whether man dey with you or whether not, to how to keep your own man, na me you just know the kind person wey you dey with. Because even though you dey with man, some men go pretend just to dey with you.
Yeah.
They go tell you say do this. Some men go let you change all your life just because say they want to make you dey with them, or because you say if you want me to be here or to continue this relationship, you have to do this, you have to do that. Some people go say no, I don't like church. Some people go say no. It dey different character dey. So I believe say nobody fit specifically define how you fit take keep your man. Na only you know.
Let me tell you say
example sef. Kim Kardashian. All of us know say Kim Kardashian get sex tape, and her marriage to Kanye West na the second marriage. Before that one she don marry Chris Humphries, you know. And everybody dey look am like say no, see how she dey, but everybody don see the way her pussy dey. They don see inside there.
She still dey do video. She still dey do all those expose her body.
Maybe even that one sef. Shabodi dey there, everybody dey see am. Most men dey even carry her sef. When they watch the video finish, dem go come when they touch their self. But she dey married to a man wey dey worship her with all that. When men they talk say no, I can't be with a hoe.
Exactly.
I can't be with a woman that her body is out there. I can't be with a woman that have done this, that have done that. But yet she there with a man where they worship him. The man they do everything to please him, and they behave himself because he one day with her. Exactly. Because he like her. She be a kind of person, and she be the kind of person where you like. So it no matter what thing you do. If you like, you pray from now till next year. Any man we want misbehave, go misbehave.
Yes.
Maybe that's the way we keep him.
Apart from that, like wetin you talk, you say Kanye West dey with
Kim
Kardashian. You go know say him don learn na him know say na that kind thing.
You don already know. You don already know say na her life be that. Before you walk up to her.
If he no dey okay, him go waka comot.
Exactly.
Shey you get? Say make you do the way you like because of say if man wan like you, him go like you. That one too na another different wetin we talk. You know say you fit dey only make man no like you. And you feel use your body. Some men they talk say na shawo self. Then they like to marry because after all don't do it, get experience. And
go fit spice
so you get that particular thing. When we say you go take learn that person when you dey with that relationship, with that marriage go take last. So that wetin Kanye West like for
the best thing that's make you not even pretend to be who you know be.
Yes, now make una go learn each other.
With the man now, the man go come later say they pretend maybe who you be go come tire for you.
That make it good, make una take on that time. Learn each other and love each other.
Okay, so Mona wait. I want to ask this question now.
Okay.
Inside sex, food, and money, I beg which one they keep Nigerian men?
Na two things. For me, na two things they keep Nigerian men. Number one, sex. That's a day very important. You see, me man no bank, so for middle of night, so afternoon, morning, when I even born a face safe. If they do, they say they get shim buy.
Okay, and wait.
Food. Second thing na food. If you don't feel belly farm, the downside and the upside, what's the man define for this life? You go they follow it like bingo.
Okay. IJ. Inside sex, food, and money, which one they keep Nigerian men?
It depends. For money to keep the man, he get us in pockets good day. Like Linda Ikeji now. Because before she make money, she no get all these principles now where they follow her. Now she don't carry belly. Before she carry the belly, you know, a lot of men just they talk say if they see her, they say I won't marry Linda, or they won't marry her for now, so they won't get the money. Maybe all of them maybe they won't use the money, do their own business.
And they be brokers men, you know?
Now. So it depends on the man. Then some they want sex, But even men where they even go find woman for sex, no matter how you fuck them rich, then go find them outside. Because no matter how you fuck, no matter how you raise your leg, no matter how you do this, then go outside. Because if not the thing where they want their body go to sweet them. So if not even sex they kill them, you need to make sure say now who you be, and they pretend though. You need to know say now who you be. You need to tell anyhow we want to do from now till tomorrow. You go they do. If not food, I don't really believe say food they keep Nigerian men because. Restaurant see everywhere. You fit even hire chef. You go dey tell am say, oh yeah, this is what I as long as say you get money oh. Because if na because of food wey dey keep man, when say go dey go restaurant now when he eat the food finish, him follow the woman. No matter how you cook rich, you get person wey cook pass you outside. So I still believe say na man wey wan dey with you wey go dey with you. I still believe am. Even for Nigerian man, na just general thing.
For Nigerian men, for men wey get money, sex, I dey always pursue them. Sex, that word sex. You like if you announce now for Nigeria say no more sex, they go there you say just rather kill us. You go just see them pack all their bags. They go just carry their bags.
No, just announce say free sex so
no,
you go get killed for your domot.
Announce say no sex for Nigeria. You go see say Nigerian men go dey pack their bag, they go dey run. Or you say get married before sex. You go see them say that they marry and in fact they go dey beg you this time say marry or anything. No time for anything. So I believe say aside anything for man wey get money, sex, food usually say if you get am, man fit get am anywhere. But for man wey no get money, if wetin dey find sex, food, no food, no money, nothing for you. Anyway, una no forget to chook na mouth for this matter also. Una also subscribe to our YouTube channel. This na the Jade and Janet show as usual.